Welcome student, standard 9, mathematics second, unit number 5 quadrilateral, practice set 5.3. Read example number 1. In this practice set, we use the diagonal properties of rectangle, rhombus and square. Now, first we see example number 1. Diagonals of rectangle ABCD intersect at point O. One diagonal AC has the length 8 cm. Then find BO. This is our first aim. If angle CAD is equal to 35 degree, then find the angle ACB. First we draw the quadrilateral rectangle ABCD. ABCD is a given rectangle. We note here, let quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Now diagonals are given and intersect at point O. So we note here, diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O. Also is given that length AC has length 8 cm. Then find BO. Our aim is to find the length BO. How can we find? Remember the diagonal property of rectangle. Diagonals of rectangle are congruent. We know that diagonals of rectangle are congruent. So we write AC means BD both have same length is equal to 8 cm. Now another diagonal property of rectangle is diagonals are bisect to each other. Also diagonals of rectangle are bisect to each other. Means BO is half of the BD. BD is 8 cm. Therefore, we write BO is half of the BD. Half of the 8 means 4 cm. Another CAD. This angle is 35 degree. Our aim is to find ACB. How can we find this angle? Opposite sides of rectangle. Every rectangle is always parallelogram. Therefore, opposite sides are parallel. From figure, AD parallel BC. Therefore, angle DAC and angle ACB have same length 35 degree because they are alternate angles. This is 35, then angle ACB is also 35. This is our another aim. This is example number 1. Example number 2. In rhombus PQRS, PQ has length 7.5. Find the another side QR. One angle is given QPS 75 degree. Then find PQR and SRQ. To solve this example, first we draw a rhombus PQRS. PQRS is a rhombus. Let quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus. This is our given. Also angle, see PQ has length 7.5 and to find the length QR, we know the property, side property of rhombus. All sides are congruent. In rhombus, all sides are congruent. Therefore, QR has length 7.5 cm. QR has length is equal to PQ is equal to 7.5. Now mention here angle QPS. QPS is equal to 75 degree. Then find the angle PQR, this one, and SRQ. We know the opposite angles in a rhombus are congruent. In rhombus, opposite angles are congruent. Therefore, angle SRQ is equal to angle QPS. QPS is equal to 75 degree, opposite angles. Now our aim is to find the angle PQR. Adjacent angles are supplementary of each other. Also, adjacent angles are supplementary of each other. Therefore, angle SPQ plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. This angle is 75 plus PQR is equal to 180 degree. On subtracting 75 from 180, we get 105 degree. Angle PQR has the measure. Angle SRQ has the measure 75 degree and QR has length 7.5. This is example number 2.